Okay, so for our discussion today about if else, this is our example system. I created this for you to check and understand. This actually is a COVID vaccine priority checker. I have prepared this for you. Now we have category A that it will be checking frontliners, senior citizens, person with comorbidities, frontline personnel, and indigent population. So I'm sorry for my voice because I'm not feeling well, but to continue, this will ask for your name, your age, and this is a picture box. It will display the result if the person is qualified or not for the category A vaccine. I mean for the category A vaccination. Now, um, here we have an event for the text age. We have used the text age leave on leave. So upon leaving, the try catch here is that it will catch if there's an error. So it will convert the text age into text. Now it's checking if the age is 60. So the picture box 1 will display qualified image. Now it will display the group box in the button. So group box 6 is this and the button is this. Now if the age is greater than or above 18, then so the first statement is actually checking if the person is a senior citizen or not. So if the person is senior citizen, automatic he or she is qualified. Now, if the age is above, I mean equal or above 18, but is below 60, the picture box will display null, so it will clear the value. The group box 6 will be visible. The button will be visible, and we will have we this will actually trigger another function. So once this will be visible and this will be visible, um, the user has an option to check based on the input of the user. Is he or she a frontliner um, with comorbidities, indigent, or what then? Um, we also have now this will check if the person is a frontliner with comorbidity or personal. So now, since this is a radio button, automatic that if one radio button is selected, the others are within the same group is no longer selected because it's only one selection for a radio button. Now, being that said, so we will just be tracking or we will just be tracking the yes radio button. So we checked if any of these yes radio button is checked, so meaning automatic that person is qualified. Now, if none, then we will display low prio image. That is because he is not part of this category. He is qualified, but he or she might be part of another group or another category. She might be a teacher, which is part of category B or another worker. Um, Then here, if the person is below 18 years old, we have the button not qualified, but I think they're qualified, but this is just an example. So we can always change the image or the condition. So now to run, let's try to run. This will ask for the name. I will say Kim Martin, the age 25. Now the group box will display and the button will display. So I will say I am not a frontliner. I don't have comorbidities. I am not a frontline personnel and I am not from an indigent group. So if I check, I am with low priority group. So now if I say Aling Nena and Aling Nena is 60 years old, automatic, she is qualified because she's senior citizen. Now, Ating Nurse. Now, actually, just to remind, this does not check the priority, no? So this is just if you are part of category A. So Aling Nars is 20 years old. She is a frontliner, and we check she is qualified. Mamang Police is um, not a frontliner, but a frontline personnel. So Mamang Police is qualified. However, if we have Junjun and he is 17 years old, automatic he is not qualified. So this is basically how the system works using C sharp. So you can try to explore and check how you can improve this. So